Roti, a film released in 1974 starring Rajesh Khanna Mumtaz, directed by Manmohan Desai. For those of you who haven't seen the film, here is a one-liner to tell you what the film is all about. Mangal Singh, a hardened criminal, is sentenced to death. While he's being led to the gallows, just minutes before he's hung, he manages to escape. His journey thereafter to atone for his sins and the twists and turns that the story takes is what the film Roti is all about. Do you know the original star cast of Roti? It was Rajesh Khanna, yes, but the leading lady was going to be none other than Dimple Kapadia. My father knew her parents and her while she was filming Bobby. My father had gone on the sets and he had seen her perform, and he knew that this girl is going to be a major star. After all, who was she chosen by? The one and only Mr. Raj Kapoor. Subsequently, Bobby released. It went on to be a blockbuster, a rage. It was the first teenage love story. Dimple Kapadia not only became a star, but a super duper star, a discovery of the decade. She was flooded with offers. Every producer, every director was vying to sign her for their films. In fact, she was already signed to play the female lead in Roti. But as fate would have it, she got married. And to whom? To the superstar himself. But after marriage, Rajesh Khanna was not very keen that she work in films. He expressed this to the producers. The producer said, Kakaji, you're the producer of this film and she's not working with any other hero, but she's working with you. What is the problem? And do you know, once this announcement is made, every distributor worth his salt will be vying to buy this film. He was still hesitant. The producers went and told my father, this is the situation. My dad immediately said, don't embarrass him. Probably if I was in his position, I too would have done the same thing. But don't worry, we'll think of an alternate. My father didn't have to think twice. He knew the obvious choice, and it was Mumtaz Ji, a wonderful human being and a delight to work with. She was a complete package. You could get out of her comedy, roles which were very bubbly, impish, naughty, yet at the same time, she could do dramatic roles, emotion, and dance. Of course, everybody knows she's a fabulous dancer. My father told the producers, set up a meeting with her. I'd like to meet her. Producers called and said, Manji wants to meet you as regards the lead role in Roti. She said, I don't need to meet Manji. I am so fond of him. I enjoyed working with him. I've done a super hit film with him. It was very nice of her. She said, please tell Manji, I'm doing the film. Just tell me the dates and I'll be there. Except for his first 1 or 2 films, and Aa Gale Lag Ja, which had the story, screenplay and dialogue in detail, Roti too, I feel, should have been treated the same way. But Manmohan Desai had this unique ability to start a film from anywhere, maybe towards the interval, without knowing what comes before and after. But in Roti, he was so charged up with the sequence he had conceived. He just knew the trigger as to why Rajesh Khanna is being sent to the gallows. In fact, when I started assisting him, many of the actors used to go up to him and ask him, he said, Manji, ये scene जो आप shoot कर रहे हैं, इससे पहले क्या आता है और इसके बाद क्या होगा? So he used to tell them, भाई मेरे, अगर मुझे पता होता तो मैं तुमको नहीं बताता. But don't worry, इसके पहले जो आएगा और इसके बाद जो आएगा, ये scene जो है correctly fit हो जाएगा. I don't know how he did it.